How to get free shipping on Shein. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be explaining how we can get free shipping on Shein. So let's just get started. So first of all, open up the Shein application on your device, and once you open it up, you may just go and look out for the products that you would like to purchase and look out for the cart option right beside each of the product, or basically add your product to cart. Tap on add to cart. You can select up what brush you would like or any product, like how much quantity, what kind of product you would like. After that, tap on add to cart and add your particular product to cart. Now once the product is added to cart, you can look out for the option of cart at the top and head over to the cart section. After that, go ahead with the process of checking out. For that, look out for the checkout option. Tap on this option right here, and then you will be taken to the checkout page. So if you would like to get free shipping on Shein, you need to spend $49 or more on your order to qualify for free standard shipping. So right now I only you can see we have $8 $8 total, but you need to have more than $49 spend it on the products like when you're ordering. And that way you will be getting free shipping on Shein. Most of the time Shein offers free standardized shipping on orders of $49 or more. And when you register and sign up for emails, you may even receive coupon for free shipping order, like free shipping on your first order. In that way also you can get free shipping on Shein. Free Shein frequently has free shipping promotions, especially during sales and events. You may just go ahead and keep an eye on those, and that should help you get free shipping on Shein. And that is it. So therefore, if you'd like to get free shipping on Shein, you may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.